Ever spotted a gray hair and felt that little pang of panic? You're not alone. Many of us wonder if finding that first silver strand means we on a one-way street to a full head of gray. But what if I told you that in some cases, early graying might not be permanent? Today, we're diving deep into the science of hair color and exploring whether it is actually possible to reverse gray hair. So, why does our hair turn gray in the first place? It all comes down to pigment. Our hair follicles have cells called melanocytes, which produce melanin, the stuff that gives our hair its color. As we age, these melanocytes gradually become less active and eventually stop producing melanin. Without this pigment, new hair grows in gray, silver, or white. This is a natural part of the aging process. However, when it happens earlier than expected, say in your 20s or 30s, it's known as premature graying. Genetics are the biggest player here. It's written in your DNA. And unfortunately, there's no magic trick to rewrite that code. But genetics aren't the whole story. Several other factors can accelerate the graying process. And this is where things get interesting, because some of these are within our control. One of the most significant culprits is stress. I'm not just talking about a single bad day. Chronic, intense stress can have a real impact on your body, including your hair follicles. A fascinating study from Columbia University found a direct link between psychological stress and hair graying. Researchers discovered that stress can cause melanocyte stem cells to disappear from the hair follicle. The good news: the same study found that when the stress was removed, some people's hair color actually started to return. This suggests that stress-induced graying could be reversible. Another major factor is nutritional deficiency. Your body needs a variety of vitamins and minerals to function properly, and your hair is no exception. Deficiencies in certain nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, copper, iron, and zinc have been linked to premature graying. For instance, vitamin B12 is crucial for red blood cell production, which carries oxygen to all your cells, including your hair follicles. If you're not getting enough, it can affect melanin production. The hopeful part is that if graying is caused by a nutritional gap, correcting that deficiency through diet or supplements can sometimes restore your natural hair color. Always consult a doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, though. They can run tests to see if you're actually deficient. Certain medical conditions can also lead to premature graying. Thyroid disorders like hypothyroidism or hypothyroidism can mess with your hormones and affect melanin production. Autoimmune diseases such as alopecia areata or vitiligo can also cause pigment loss in the hair. If your graying is linked to an underlying health issue, treating that condition is the most important step. In some cases, once the medical issue is managed, your hair color might return. So, what's the final verdict? Can early graying be reversed? The answer is a conditional yes. Currently, there's no proven way to bring those melanocytes back to life once they're gone for good. However, if your premature graying is triggered by factors like severe stress, a nutritional deficiency, or a specific medical condition, there is a chance of reversal. By addressing the root cause, managing stress, improving your diet, or treating a health issue, you might see your natural color return. It's about identifying the why behind your graying. If you're concerned about it, the best first step is to talk to a doctor or a dermatologist. They can help you figure out if there's an underlying cause that can be addressed. Many people embrace their silver strands as a sign of wisdom and experience. Whether you choose to cover it, treat it, or rock it with confidence, the choice is entirely yours. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any experience with reversing gray hair. See you in the next one.